A family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to become one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. The SIP Fireball XD heaters, a trade range of diesel and paraffin space heaters. These powerful and hard-wearing Fireball XD space heaters from SIP can be used with diesel and paraffin kerosene. Our SIP-developed trade range offers durability and value for money, with 6 fantastic models to choose from. The heat output on the Fireball XD trade range starts at 14.7 kilowatts with an approximate heating area of 350 meters cubed on the entry model, right up to a heat output of 63 kilowatts with an approximate heating area of 1500 meters cubed on the Fireball 215 XD model. All models in the range feature a solid constructed metal fuel tank, a heavy-duty painted finish, plug-in and go 13 amp supply with fitted moulded plug, and up to a 14-hour runtime from a full tank of fuel. All models except the entry-level Fireball 50XD feature a built-in thermostat and digital temperature readout, and an easy-to-read fuel gauge. The Fireball 50 and Fireball 75 XD have a handy carry handle. Plus, there is an optional wheel kit available to fit the Fireball 75 XD. The Fireball 100, 125, 175 and 215 XD include as standard rugged pneumatic tyres, ideal for rough terrain, plus push and pull handles for easy manoeuvrability. Accessories for the whole SIP Fireball XD range, including a great selection of jerry cans and fuel spouts, are also available from your local SIP distributor. The Fireball XD trade range of diesel and paraffin kerosene space heaters. Perfect for heating workshops, farm buildings and garages.